Welcome to COMC Tutorials. COMC is now partnered with SGC Grading to provide you more options for grading cards in your inventory. After you've purchased an item, you can send that item immediately to grading if you choose. To do this, select the Actions drop-down and then click Submit for Grading. On this screen, you'll see our available grading options. We'll select SGC for this tutorial. From here, we'll enter an estimated value for this item for insurance and tracking purposes. Once you check to confirm the rules stated below and the estimated time frame, which is subject to change, we'll send your item to SGC for grading. To check on the progress of your item, you can navigate back to My Dashboard and select Grading Submissions. It's just that simple.